Okay, next coming to the second bit, that is compute the earliest times and latest times of each activity. Okay, first of all, I would like to explain all the earliest times and latest times. Then we are going to fill this table to calculate earliest times and latest times for every activity. Everybody should prepare table like this. Observe this table. In this table, first column stands for activity, second column stands for duration. Of course, I have not written. Second columns belongs to duration of each activity represented in days for this problem. Next is EST. 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 What do you mean by EST? EST expanded form is earliest. E means earliest. S means earliest start. Earliest start. T means time. So that EST means earliest start time. Okay. Next, EFT. What do you mean by EFT? EFT means earliest finish time. Earliest finish time. We have one blind formula. EFT is equal to EST plus TAJ. EFT is equal to EST plus TAJ, where TAJ is equal to duration of each activity. Duration of each activity. We have already discussed on CPM network, activity is represented by an arrow. For example, consider activity A. Activity A takes 3 days of time. Therefore, I have written A of 3. But this activity starts at ith node. Each node is represented by one circle. Similarly, activity A ends at some other time, that is indicated with another node. This node is represented by circle J. Activity starts at ith node, ends at jth node. Sometimes this node is also known as event. Event is nothing but the immediate start of activity. This is the ending node or ending event. Okay. This is about activity A. Next, LST means latest start time. LFT means expanded form, latest finish time. Finish time. Okay, now there is a relationship between these two timings, that is LFT and LST. What is that relation? Relation is, you have to remember this formula. LST is equal to LFT minus TAJ, where TAJ means duration of each activity. TAJ means duration of each activity or time of that activity or duration. In both ways we can call TAJ like this, duration or time. LST, latest start time, is equal to latest finish time minus activity duration. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Next, EST, the relationship between EST and EFT. What is the relationship? I am going to write another blind formula. That means the relationship between EFT and EST. EST means earliest start time. EFT means earliest finish time. What is the relationship between these two terms? Means EFT is equal to EST plus activity duration. Here TSA is nothing but the duration of each activity. Duration of each activity. This is a relationship between EFT and EST. You have to remember this formula. To calculate earliest times and latest times, simply you can remember these two formulas. Then we can easily fill this data. Okay, all the earliest times. Prepare a table like this. First activity, next duration of that activity, next EST, earliest start time, next earliest finish time. Formula I have written here. EFT is equal to EST plus activity duration. Similarly, LST is equal to LFT minus activity duration. Next, this is a LFT. Last column indicates float, FLOAT, float. Again, another formula is there. Float is equal to, or sometimes you can call it as total float. Anyway, float is equal to LST minus EST or LFT minus EFT. In both ways you can calculate and cross check whether the answer is correct or not. You can check, you can verify with this cross check, that means float. We are going to calculate float in both ways, LST minus EST or LFT minus EFT. Okay. This is about basics about timings. First bit already completed. That means what is first bit? Draw the project network diagram. That is over. After drawing project network diagram, next it is necessary to assign the numerical value to each node. Like that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. By following one algorithm. What is that algorithm? Fulkerson's algorithm. Fulkerson's algorithm is used to give numbering to the nodes. Okay, completed, that also completed. Second bit is compute the earliest times and latest times of each activity. There are I activity, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I activities. For each activity we are going to calculate all the timings. What are the timings? EST, EFT, LST, LFT. Okay na? Now, first of all, we are going to calculate EST and EFT by using forward pass recursion. Forward pass recursion. Forward pass recursion means we are going to move from event number or node number 1 to node number 7. That means we are moving from left to right, means that is a forward pass recursion. If we move from backward means, that means we can start from last two node of the entire network, that means 7 to 1 means that is a backward pass recursion. In backward pass recursion, we are going to finish another timings, that means LFT and LST. So these two timings are completed in backward pass recursion. Backward. Okay na? Forward pass and backward pass. First I am going to finish EST, EFT. Then we will move to the LFT and LST. And finally we can easily calculate last column, that means float. Okay na? For calculation of earliest times and latest times, first of all, on every node, prepare two square boxes like this. Then the problem becomes simple. Okay, now in the network diagram there are 7 nodes or events. For each node indicate like this, 2 square boxes. Okay, like this. Next, also write the A activity time. What is the time? 3 days. Okay, A of 3. B activity takes 5 days. Okay, C activity takes 4 days. Observe from the given table. Similarly for D, 2 days. Next E, 3 days. F, 9 days. H, 7 days. G, 8 days. I, 9 days. Okay. Now we are going to fill these boxes. First box indicates EST or EFT. By using forward pass recursion, we are going to fill all the first square boxes on every node. Okay, na? This box, this, everything we are going to fill. Please observe. So, node number 1 is the first node. That means every activity starts at node 1 or event 1. So, timings we are measuring from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. For every node, starting node, it's a EST is equal to 0. EST is equal to 0. That means what is the physical meaning? A activity, B activity, C activity, 3 activities are started at a 0 days. That means starting time. 0 is the reference line. Okay, all are parallelly started. Next, move to the node number 2 or event number 2. Coming to this, here for activity A, this is the EST. We are going to write here. What do you mean by here? For activity A, this is the earliest finish time. What is the formula? Earliest finish time is equal to earliest start time plus activity duration. Simply 0 plus 3. How much? 3. Then make 3. Next, similarly, coming to the node number 3 or event number 3. What is the EFT? EFT is equal to EST 0 plus 5. Okay. Same for activity C. EFT is equal to EST plus duration of activity 4. Like this. Next, coming to the node number 5 or event number 5. Observe, this is a junction node or junction event. Why? Because junction, because there are 2 routes. 1, 2, 5. This is one route. Second route is 1, 3, 5. Okay, 2 routes. So this is junction node or junction event. In this situation, careful about the junction node or junction events. During junction events, consider maximum value. So in forward pass recursion, always consider maximum value at the junction nodes or junction events. Okay, now this is the important remembering points. Now 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, one way 5, we are getting 5. Second way, observe, this is the 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Among 5 and 8, which one is the maximum? Among 5 and 8, which one is maximum? 8 is the maximum. 8 is the maximum. Therefore, put that value. That means 8 Place 8 in that box. Okay, next, coming to this point, node number 6 or event number 6 is also a junction node or junction event. So there are two routes. First, consider all one by one. 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 13. This way 13. Another way, 5 plus 7, 12. So which one is maximum? 13 is the maximum. So place that, mark 13. Next, coming to the 7th node or last node, last one. This is also junction in forward pass recursion. 8 plus 8, 16. Next, 13 plus 9, 22. So maximum is 22. Okay, now we have completed all the earliest times. We have shown on the network diagrams. Similarly, we are going to fill this table. Activity A means, observe, activity A means 1 to 2. Next activity B. B means 1 to 3. In terms of nodes we are writing. Next 1 to 4. C means 1 to 4. D means 2 to 5. 2 to 5. E means 3 to 5. F means how much? 4, 6. 4, 6. G means G. Where is G? 5, 7. G is over. Next, H. H means 3, 6. And last one, I. I means 6, 7. Okay. We have completed this activity column. Next, EST. Very easy, EST. Just observe these boxes, pair boxes, left hand side boxes. First consider 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means activity A. EST means 0. So 0. 1 to 3 means, observe, 1 to 3. This is the earliest start time, 0. Next, C, 1 to 4. Earliest start time is 0. Right? Next, 2 to 5. This is the 2 to 5 activity. This is the earliest start time for activity D. 3. 3 to 5. Where is 3 to 5? This is the 3 to 5. Similar 4 to 6. 4 to 6. 4. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 8. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. 5. 6 to 7. 6 to 7. That's 13. Calculated all the EST values. EST values. Next, come to the EFT. It is dead easy. Don't see this diagram. Don't see this network diagram. Just observe the duration of each activity. Already told, TAJ means duration of activity. Duration of activity. So blindly I have written formula. EST is equal to EST plus activity duration. This is the EST value. Duration is 3. 0 plus 3, 3. Next, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. Next, similarly for D, EST is equal to 3 plus duration of D activity 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Next, 3 to 5 means which activity? E activity. 5 plus activity duration. How much? 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Next, 4 plus 9. That means 13. 8 plus activity duration. 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Next, 3 to 6. Which activity? H activity. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. Next, last activity. 13 plus 9, 22. We have completed all the earliest times. Next, coming to the latest times. How to calculate? By using backward pass recursion, we are going to finish those timings. Observe. First, concentrate on the network diagram. In every problem, observe the last event EFT 22. So make it 22 in this box also. 22. Fix 22. In every problem is like that. Make 22 in this box. Next, move backward. Coming to number 5. Simply here LST means LFT, that means 22 minus activity duration. 22 minus 8. How much? 14. Next, 22 minus 9. 13. Next, move to the node number 4. 13 minus 9. 4. Next, 14 minus 3. 11. Next, 14 minus 2. 12. Okay, except node 1, we have completed all the nodes timings. That means latest timings. Coming to this node 1 or event 1. So actually node number 3 is a junction event or junction node. There are two routes. Event number 3 is a junction event. Junction event means there are two routes. Here 14, here 13. H value is 7. E value is 3. Consider two routes. 14 minus 3, how much? 14 minus 3, 11. Okay. Next, consider this also. 13 minus 7, how much? 6. 13 minus 7, 6. Now, in case of backward pass recursion, careful at the junction nodes or junction events. Consider minimum value. Among 11 and 6, which one is minimum? 6 is the minimum value. So 11 is wrong. 6 is correct. Now observe the last event, that is number 1 event. Consider 3 routes. 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Out of all these values, which one is minimum? 0 is the minimum. So mark that 0. Observe at the junctions. Remembering point is you have to take care about junctions. At junctions in backward pass recursion, consider minimum value. Okay, na? That is the logic. So next we are going to fill this table. First fill LFT values, latest finish times. So we can start from 6, 7, G activity, 22, LFT. Next, 3 to 6. Where is 3 to 6? LFT is 13, 5 to 7. 5 to, where is 5 to 5 to 7? 22 LFT, 4 to 6. 4 to 6. 9, 4 to 6, 13. LFT values. First fill all the LFT values. Next we can move to the LST. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 14. 2 to 5. 14. 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 4. 1 to 3. 6. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 12. These are the LFT values, latest finish time values. Next, latest start values. This is very easy. Already written formula, that means LFT minus activity duration. LFT means 12 minus duration of activity. A is 3. 12 minus 3, how much? 9. Don't see this network diagram. Here itself you can decide. 12 minus 3, 9. Next, move to the 1 to 3 activity. That means B activity. 6 minus 5, 1. Duration of activity B is 5. Next, 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Next, 14 minus 2 for activity D. 14 minus 2, 12. Next, consider 3 to 5 activity known as E. E. Duration is 3. 14 minus 3, 11. Next, 4 to 6. 4 to 6. 13 LFT minus activity duration 9. 13 minus 9, 4. Next, move to the 5 to 7. 5 to 7. That means G activity. Duration is 8. 22 minus 8. 14. Next, 3 to 6. 3 to 6. H activity. 7. 13 minus 7, 6. Next, last one is 6, 7. 6, 7 means 22 minus 9, 13. Okay, like this. We have calculated all the LST values. Okay, na? Calculate last value, that means float. Float is nothing but the LST minus EST or LFT minus EFT. We know all the values, LST, LFT, everything. So simply substitute. First observe in both ways. LST minus EST, 9 minus 0 is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, cross checked in both ways. LFT minus EFT, 6 minus 5, 1, or LST minus EST, 1. 4 minus 4, 0, or 0 minus 0, 0. Next, 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, how much? 9. 12 minus 3, 9. Both ways we have cross checked. Correct. 14 minus 8 or 11 minus 5. In both ways, value becomes 6. 13 minus 13, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 0. Next, 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 or 22 minus 16. Okay, it's a 6. In both ways, it value becomes same, 6. Next, LFT minus EFT, 13 minus 12, 1, 6 minus 5, 1. Next, 13 minus 13, 0, 22 minus 22, 0. Okay, likewise we have completed this table. For every CPM problem, you have to do calculations like this. First, to draw the diagram and complete these values and prepare a table like this. It's very easy. We have completed second bit, that means compute the earliest times and latest times of each activity. Okay. Next, move to the third bit. What is third bit? Indicate the critical path. First of all, what do you mean by critical path? I would like to define. Critical path is the longest path, maximum duration path. Critical path is the longest path in the network diagram. How to identify that longest path? Known as critical path. Critical path, every critical path has zero float. That is one logic. Observe any activity having zero float. Yes. Which activity? Identify those activities. This activity. Float having 0. Similar this activity. How many activities are there? 3 activities. What are they? 1 to 4, 4 to 6, and the last one is 6 to 7. These are the critical activities. What do you mean by critical activity? Critical activities are the activities, if you delay these activities, entire project duration changes. Okay, na? That activities are known as critical activities. Critical activities float, total float is equal to 0. Therefore, after identification of zero float activities known as critical activities, then that critical activity should be shown by an arrow like this. This is the critical activity indication. Some activity ij, this activity is known as, for example, critical activity. Indication is double arrow line. Okay na? Therefore 1 to 4 activity, 1 to 4, that means C activity, you have to show this activity by double arrow after. Okay, known as critical activity. Next, 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, okay. Last one, 6 to 7, 6 to 7. Observe this diagram. This critical path must connect starting node of the network and ending node of the network. Okay, it should connect starting node and ending node. Satisfied. Now, from this diagram, it is observed that critical path means this path. And also write one sentence. Critical path is equal to C F I. This is one way of representation, or in other way also we can write. In which way? In terms of events or nodes. 1 dash 4 dash 6 dash 7. Okay na? In both ways we can write. We have indicated critical path. Okay. Next, last bit, that means fourth bit. Find the total project duration. Total project duration means, observe the last node of the entire network diagram. Here, what is the value of this EFT? 22. Similarly, LFT also 22. This is nothing but the total project duration. In how many days this entire project will be completed? 22 days. So write project duration is equal to 22 days. So this is the answer. Okay na? Likewise, you have to calculate all the values. So this is a problem on CPM network. Usually this question asks for 10 marks.